Ladies and gentlemen, we're more than halfway through the weekend. I'm actually full of life. We've got the NHL playoffs starting tonight. Let's go Islanders. And the Brooklyn Nets, they're facing a do-or-die situation tonight. And I hope they don't die. And that Mets game last night against the Filthies. That's right, I'm calling them Filthies because they played very filthy. It was so much fun. So as you can tell, I'm in a rush to get home because there's a lot of sports tonight. So it's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closed. Grab yourself a drink because it's a big sports night happy hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks closing higher today as oil hit highs for the year and as investors continue to take in earnings as well as economic reports. Now, on the economic data front, industrial production for March showing a greater than expected decline of 0.6% following a slight gain in February. Meanwhile, capacity utilization coming in slightly below the previous month, and mortgage applications falling 2.3% from the previous week as interest rates continue to tick up. Also, the New York State Empire Manufacturing Survey showing a contraction in April, weakening for the third straight month as the pace of new orders continued to fall to a multi-year low. And the NAHB Housing Market Index showing a sharp increase to 56 in April. And we're not even done there. There was more data in the afternoon. The Federal Reserve's Beige Book noting improvements in residential real estate, as you could tell by the numbers earlier, but still reporting overall moderate growth. Now you team that with commodities settling at key levels, with crude oil ending up 5.82% today, above $56 a barrel, its highest close of the year, and gold futures also up $8.70 to $12.0130 a troy ounce, and the Russell 2000, that's right, I'm mentioning the Russell 2000, trading at a new intraday high, and you have yourself quite the session where for the most part two stocks advanced for every decliner over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this session. And on the corporate front, Charles Schwab saying that his first quarter net income fell 7% to $302 million on slower client trading activity and higher spending focused in part on the discount brokerage's new robo-advisor offering. Robo-advisor offering. And if you guys want to see more corporate news, check out today's Market Movers Report brought to you by our own Sarah Pizon. So there you have it. Grab yourself a drink. And remember, let's go Nets, let's go Islanders. And unfortunately, PSG is getting slaughtered by Barcelona right now, but we won't even talk about that. Until tomorrow morning, from OutOfWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.